Hi guys, welcome to my channel Tectonic. Today we're going to do the unboxing of a microphone. It is a Toner TC30 USB condenser microphone. The good thing about it is self-contained. What that means, it comes with a microphone, a filter, a handle to hold the filter, a tripod stand and a cable. This cable is USB 2.0. It connects the microphone directly to your PC or your computer laptop. It is platform independent. What that means, it is going to work for Windows, Linux and Mac as well. You don't need to install a driver. It will just work out of the box. It is also a condenser microphone with a Cardioid pattern. What that means is it's going to block out all the background noise. You can literally use it and nothing's going to happen. So like it is not going to pick up any background noise, or at least it claims it doesn't. So on that note, let's start unboxing. So once the cover comes out, the first thing that you're going to get is the instruction manual and the 2-year warranty card included. It's got the nice microphone and a tripod stand. Looks good. You can tighten it or loosen it using this knob. Here is the cable that connects it. So let me open the cable up. It looks like a USB Type-C port which goes in the mic, and the other one is a USB 2.0 which goes in the PC. Now if you take out the box, you will see the filter is also present. I think the filter is as simple as just snapping it. Let me take it out of the way. So filter is all about, I believe, the snapping it in place, right? Yeah, there you go. Yeah, and that's about it with the microphone. All you have got to do now is to plug in this USB 2.0 into your PC and you can start recording. No drivers required. So all in all, this is a good one. It's not that expensive. It is below 40 quid on Amazon. It comes with vouchers so that you can get it for under like 35, 30 sometimes if you're lucky. I got it for under 25 under offer. What I'll do, I'll just add a link to this product in the description below in case you want to buy it. If you like my video, do like it on YouTube and do subscribe to my channel to get further updates on products similar to this, which will help you in your home office setup or in your office as well. Thank you.